How to see your YouTube Wrapped of 2022 on YouTube. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get YouTube Wrapped of 2022 on YouTube. So essentially at the end of this video, you'll be able to get something like this, a small template somewhat similar to Spotify Wrapped, where it's going to show all the top creators you've actually watched throughout YouTube in the year of 2022. Now it's going to show you the videos and some statistics as well. So if you want that, watch the video all the way to the end so you guys actually know how to do this. But that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So essentially what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and go to the description. There's going to be a link to a website. Go ahead and copy the website and paste it in your search browser. Now it should be called YouTube Year in Review Wrapped for YouTube. Now go ahead and visit this. From here, you guys can see that this is actually going to retrieve YouTube data and it's going to give you your year review in under 5 minutes. You guys can see right here, it even says it itself. So essentially it's going to give you a template like this. So I'm going to show you guys the step process on how to do this. So click the puzzle piece right here where it says it's my first time. Click on it. From here, make your way. You guys can see there's a little slideshow you can see here with a bunch of pictures. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it really quick. So you're going to want to launch the website from here. Now wait for the website to load up. Now you're going to want to go down to create a new export where it says YouTube and YouTube Music. Now it's going to be multiple formats and all YouTube data included. Now go ahead, head over to multiple formats, click on that. From here, head over to history and make your way to the right of history and change it from HTML to a JSON file. Now go ahead, after that's been done, press OK. Once it's actually refreshed and changed, head over to all YouTube data included and click on that as well. Now deselect everything from here and click history only. And once you go ahead and click it, press OK. Now you're going to want to proceed. Now press the blue next step button and make your way towards the choose file type, frequency, and destination step. Now essentially you do not have to touch anything at all here. Now it's going to send you a download link via email. So essentially your YouTube account, whatever you watch YouTube videos on, is going to receive an email of all your watch history and stuff. So just press create export right here to actually create the export and get the download link sent via email. So go ahead and create the export. Now once you've actually created the export, you should get a little email like this that says we finished creating a copy of your Google data you requested. Now all you have to do is click download your files. Now it's going to send you to a website like this that's going to let you manage your exports. Now essentially your export should be right here, so download it. Now it should come in a packed archive zip file. Now you're just not going to want to unarchive it or whatever, just leave it how it is. Now go back to the website, make sure you guys go back to the regular and head over to file right here. Now you're going to want to go to I already have my data, let me upload it. Now from here you're going to want to go ahead and upload your watch history. Now from here you're going to want to go ahead and actually just upload the actual archive file right here. So you don't have to unzip it or anything, just upload it as it is, and then it should go ahead and create your Wrapped right here. So it should go ahead and create your YouTube Wrapped and overall give you YouTube Wrapped. So you can see here my YouTube Wrapped shows me the most watched creator, and this is my most watched creator right here. So you can see that there's much more to this, rising stars. If we keep going through it, we get the top creators this year that we watched. We get to, see all the videos that I liked. I've always listened to this song. It's my favorite, 54 minutes. So essentially, it's just going to go ahead and show you all of this, and it's going to give you statistics and essentially like a Spotify Wrapped, but in YouTube. So it is technically a YouTube Wrapped. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully I was able to get you guys your YouTube Wrapped of 2022. But with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.